Welcome to CPPLus. Let's understand the recently launched CPPLus T-Sense series. In this series, we will talk about integrated temperature screening solution with face capture. This integrated solution consists different modules. The first module of this standalone system is IP camera. This IP camera is a face detection camera. The second module of this standalone solution is a temperature measurement sensor, which gives the accurate temperature of a person. The third module is NVR, which do the recording and gives the live feed with the instant notification. Then fourth module is a display module, and the fifth module is a bracket in which we install all these components. Let's talk about each of these components. The first component of this solution is IP camera. The IP camera is a face detection camera with 2 megapixel image quality. The camera captures a snapshot of human face with mask. It also collects and overlay temperature information. We can also get a voice broadcast from this camera. Another component is LED screen, which is an industrial grade, and it can work 24/7. It is a 2 megapixel LED screen with a user-friendly operation. The another component of this solution is wrist temperature measurement sensor. This sensor receives wrist temperature information and pass it to IP camera. For the IP camera, overlay this wrist temperature information over the video and snapshot. This is a high accurate wrist temperature sensor with 0.3 degrees Celsius accuracy. Next component is NVR. The NVR is used for live viewing and recording of snapshot with the temperature metadata. It gives a real-time alert for any abnormal temperature. It stores face with the temperature metadata, which we can search later on. We have a smart search feature in this NVR by which we can get the report of any abnormal temperature with a face. We can retrieve different reports from this NVR. This NVR is a complete management tool for temperature measurement solution. In this NVR, we can do the advertisement and also we can play video tutorials. The last component is a bracket, which is used to install all these components to make it as a standalone solution.
Normal body temperature, normal body temperature, normal body temperature, normal body temperature, abnormal body temperature. Normal body temperature, please pass.
CPPLus wrist temperature measurement solution has wide applications. It can be used in small factories, universities, campus, office entrance lobby, malls entrance, hotels, cinemas. This is a new cost-effective thermal solution for medium to small factories, malls, companies with few hundred people or less than 500, and so on.